Still going, right?
I've never used
So it would be nice if you guys kept the same space with, like, you go, he goes,
Okay,
you go,
cool.
he goes, because the energy variable is that you guys need an equal amount of break in between each one, right? And you would think of that too with your students, right? Is, well, they can't just like do technique after technique after technique, like they need.
So we use the same board?
Page 56.
Oh, right? So, Marcel. I'll be right back.
So this junk is 350. The instant cedar was actually 470. So it's a little higher than the regular cedar. So this one's 350. So in theory, we'll see. But that's like with sometimes it doesn't matter.
It's very brittle.
Yeah, that's how it feels, right? Like it doesn't feel strong. It's super light. I actually, in Kentucky, we have these trees, and I had talked to a farmer about getting Joe one, and around the time we were going to go and cut it down, it got infested with the beetles. So, yeah, it was pretty lame.
All right, Buckeye,
That's so cool.
isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna do that one. All right, so I'm going to try to prepare the next ones. The next one is Atlantic white cedar. I don't think I have it here. So Andrew, you wrote in your book
Yes,
the time, the date,
I do. I just have to do it in
next
my...
to the material, right?
Yes.
All right, so now,
It sounds so quiet, the Buckeye.
it is, yeah, right?
How'd it feel?
Really easy.
Yeah.
Very similar to fir, actually.
Okay.
And what time is it? Somebody has a
It is 10:57.
10:57.
This one.
I like this bamboo bow.
Yeah.
It's my favorite material.
Buckeye.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
I've never heard you mention that before, Joe.
If you, yeah, I know. You see my videos, I say that all the time. All right, so gotta get something here. Marcel did Buckeye, Aesculus Flava, right? At 10:57 on today's day. All right, tribe is saved. He had one job. He did it. Try the cross, going across. And just relax into it. Just relax into it. Get a feel for it. Just get a feel. Get your rhythm. And as it starts burning, just slowly turn toward the back. What's the junker?
350.
You can read it. That's smooth. Look at it. I think you have it already. Where's my phone?
Feels so soft.
isn't it?
Use that. That's so cool.
So it's 11. It's 11 a.m. At 11 a.m., Andrew did Buckeye with a Jonko 350 with a Bojo, and he saved the tribe. Tribe is saved.